ترکیه به گونه قانونی آمدیم. می‌خواستیم در
You see in the next slide, we might go on to our first definition. Somebody earlier on talked about acronyms and definitions. We're riddled with them in our sector, and especially in this one linked to communication and community engagement. We say CCE, we say CWC, we say AAP for accountability. So if you hear any of them, the most important part are the dimensions that come out of it. That we have the issue of participation, so it's not just consultation, that we look at life-saving messaging, that we go beyond just the sharing of information, we have that two-way aspect, we have the feedback mechanism.
At some point I realized, no, this here is better than Google. We can really talk to each other and ask all the simple questions and get the good answers.
Those issues come up. Also, some people in rural areas want a radio as a number one requirement. So some of the needs we have and some of the...
I've done a great deal in how I can improve my own work in terms of connecting better with refugees and migrants in parts of the world where we're working with them.
There are already so many government-related or private organizations, volunteer groups, and these groups are already working for refugees. So one of the things that we do, we try to connect our audiences with these already existing groups. We don't want to invent.
Everybody's online, but there's a lot of junk on the internet you don't really need. So it's really great to see the amount of efforts that our people are making in different parts of the world with this issue.